Tech Explorer is not just a computer curriculum, but a structured technology program designed especially for young learners in grades 1 to 3. Children will learn to understand computers, develop essential digital skills, explore coding, and experience robotics in an age-appropriate and engaging way. This set of books is designed to build problem-solving, creativity, and digital confidence from the start. One of the most exciting parts of Tech Explorer is hands-on robotics. Children will design and build working models using robotics kits powered by motors and sensors. By connecting their models to a PC, laptop, or tablet, they will use simple visual coding to make them move, respond, and react. With every test and improvement, students will learn how coding turns ideas into action.
Dar-e-Arqam Schools, Roshan Qadrein, Roshan Kal.